Hello friends, welcome back KSD Learning Time. Today we are going to learn the Magic Garden from English Marigold book of CBSE class 3rd. So let's start. The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." See children, there is one garden in the school playground. There were sunflowers, roses, marigolds, poppies and pansies in the garden. These flowers are singing and dancing in the sunshine. They say to each other, "These school children are our little gardeners." स्कूल गार्डन में जितने भी फूल हैं वो सब एक दूसरे से बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे पास 100 से भी ज़्यादा लिटिल गार्डनर्स हैं. वो सारे स्कूल के प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं. वन डे ऑल द flowers were talking to the birds. That time poppy flower said, "I love children. I like children because they gives water from their bottles to my thirsty roots." Now see, Marigold said, "Yes, boys are good. They dig the ground well." Now see, "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." Here tiny little bird says, "We love the children. They are kind. They brings bread for us." All the flowers says, "Now children are about to come in the garden. We should work hard to make our dresses pretty for the children." The sun said, "I will also help you by making my pleasant sunshine for the children." यहाँ बर्ड्स कहते हैं कि बच्चे बड़े अच्छे हैं, वो हमें खाने के लिए ब्रेड देते हैं. तब सारे फ्लावर्स कहते हैं कि बच्चे अभी गार्डन में आते ही होंगे, हमें अपने रंगी बिरंगी ड्रेसेस मतलब कलरफुल पेटल्स के साथ तैयार रहना चाहिए. तभी सन कहता है कि मैं भी बच्चों के लिए प्यारी सी सुनहरी धूप लेके आता हूँ. Now we will see what happened next. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, "I love the marigold in its golden dress." The marigold smiled happily. See children, here all the children are coming in the garden with laughing and singing. So flowers stop their songs to listen the children singing and laughing. बच्चों का गाना सुनने के लिए फूलों ने अपना गाना गाना स्टॉप कर दिया. At that time, one boy said, "See that tall sunflower, how proudly lifting its head." Another boy said, "I love the happily smiling golden marigold." Next, it was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out, dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. It is really magic garden. सारे बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि यह सच्ची में मैजिक गार्डन है, उसमें गाने वाली फेरीज है और उनका गाना भी सिर्फ बच्चे सुन सकते। आफ्टर सम टाइम ऑल द फेरीज कमिंग आउट विद डांसिंग बाय वेयरिंग फ्लावरी ड्रेसेस एंड शाइनिंग विंग्स। यह सब होने के बाद मैजिक गार्डन रात में एकदम शांत हो जाता है। फ्लावर्स एंड बर्ड्स आर स्लीपिंग इन ड्रीम। दे वर ड्रीमिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट डे when the children will come again. Now we will see some new words from this lesson. First one is magic. In garden, gardeners, playground, sunshine, golden, and last one is dreaming. Now we will see some questions in the reading is fun. So let's start. First question. Why did the flowers love the little children? Flowers love the little children because children gives water to their thirsty roots. Now second one question. Why did the birds love the children? Birds love the children because children are kind and gives bread to them. Now third one question. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Very simple answer. Sunflowers, roses, poppies, pansies and marigolds. These are the flowers growing in the magic garden. Now last one question. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? The sweet songs of the fairies. Only the children listen in the garden. Now this is the talking time with your friend about the flowers roses. I like roses. Most roses are red, some are white, some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. Now last one question is, which one is your favorite flower? Learn its name in English. Now say aloud with me. Little, people, purple, happily, sleepily, proudly, slippery, thirsty, and last one is pretty. Now it's the team time. Here you want to do one activity. First you want to make a flower scrapbook. In this scrapbook you want to stick the flowers. First collect 5 flowers. Put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book. Now here you want to use old book. In that old book you want to put each flower carefully. Now third one, place some heavy books on top of the old book. Leave it for some days. Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. After some days you want to take that pressed flowers from that old book and stick the pressed flowers in the scrapbook. Write the name of each flower. Now see here, word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in a garden. Insect, butterfly, bees, then trees, mango tree, apple tree, flowers. You can write mogra, lily. In tools you can write spade. For watering we are using water can. In birds, sparrow, parrot. Now imagine you have a big garden. What would it look like? Draw a picture here. Now one picture I am drawing here. You can see that, and same picture you can draw in the drawing book. Now see, what would you like to grow in your garden? Write 3 sentences giving the names of the flowers that you might like to grow in your garden. For example, in my garden I would like to grow pretty yellow sunflower. Like this you can complete these sentences. आपको जो भी फ्लावर्स पसंद है उसके बारे में आप लिखकर यह सेंटेंसेस कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको रोजेस पसंद है तो रोजेस के बारे में लिखो। इन माई गार्डन आई वुड लाइक टू ग्रो रेड रोजेस। I hope you have understood the lesson. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.